Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of September. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. I feel like taking these cards. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for the Librans. Okay, guidance from the universe for Librans. Okay. So Librans, yeah, so you are very anxious about a situation, very tense, very anxious, spending sleepless nights, not able to sleep, and it's it's coming off as the reason is you are feeling as if what have I done? Yeah. So this is the vibe with it. You are feeling as if why did I do this? What have I done? What was the need for me to do this? It's something like that. You're feeling as if you're what have I done? And because you knew that you could have avoided it basically. It's coming off like that. You knew that you could have avoided it, but you did something, and now you're feeling why the hell did I do it? Why the hell did I behave like this? Whatever. And that is the reason for your anxiety. That is the reason for sleepless nights, and that is something which is causing you a lot of conflict in your mind. So basically the reason for sleepless night is you know it's coming off like why the hell did I do it? Oh my god, how could I do this? Something like that. How could I do this? Why did I do this? What was the need for me to do like this? Whatever it is. And that is the reason for this anxiety, this conflict, this tension, whatever it is. And here with the Six of Cups, you want reconciliation with someone, or you are reconciling. You plan to reconcile, you want it, and I think you will do it, because here with the Page of Cups I see you with a new beginning. You are communicating or offering your love to someone. You want to reconcile with someone. Okay, so you want to reconcile, and you want a new beginning with this person. I think you will do it, because you will communicate your feelings to someone. That's what I feel. With the Moon card here, what I am getting here is that though you want this reconciliation, you want to open up, Maybe you even open up, but the thing is that things are not very clear to you. Maybe you really don't know how to move ahead in this situation. So you want reconciliation, you want a new beginning, but you don't know how to move ahead in this situation or what lies ahead in this situation. Something is unknown over here, basically. That's what. Maybe the path ahead is unknown. Yeah, that's what. So you do offer your love. I think you do reconcile with this person, though the path ahead is unknown. You really don't know how things will move forward. It can be this also. So things are not very clear to you. You don't know how things will move forward, perhaps, or how to take them forward. And because the things are not clear to you, that is the struggle. That is what you are struggling for, I think. Since that you really don't know the path ahead, and obviously there will be some struggles. So, so you are reconciling with the person, you are opening up, you want a new beginning. The path ahead is unclear and it has some struggles. It does have some struggles, or you perceive those struggles perhaps in your, with the moon card. Maybe it is your perception that how will you move ahead in this path, and it will be a very path full of struggles. It can be your perception also, because moon is about imaginations also. Okay, so maybe that is what you feel, that the path will be full of struggles, or maybe actually because the path is unknown, and again and again I'm feeling, you feel that there will be a lot of struggles over there. How to move ahead, how to take it forward, and there will be a lot of struggles. But I think you will struggle and you will overcome them. So even if it is your perception, or actually you are dealing with these struggles, whatever it is. So anyway, the path ahead has struggles. You perceive them, or they are there, whatever it is. These struggles will be overcome. Okay, obviously there will be struggles. If you are perceiving them, something is definitely there also. Okay, so there are struggles over here, but you are defending it. You are struggling to make it happen, and I think you will make it happen, because with the Six of Wands, I think you will be able to overcome those struggles, whatever these struggles are. So the path ahead is unknown. You really don't know how things will move forward, how to take them forward, perhaps how to manifest them, how to make them happen, perhaps. So whatever the struggle is, you will be able to overcome these struggles, and you will be victorious in these. You will be happy, you will celebrate that, yeah, I have overcome these struggles. And what I feel here is that once you are able to overcome these struggles, you are sitting pretty confident in your chair. You're very happy, very. I, it's like regaining that composure and that back in power type of a thing. Again, back in power type of a thing. Okay, so you will this anxiety and all will go, and you will regain your power once you are able to overcome this struggle. Why is this tower here for? But one thing is there, because the Queen of Swords, if you, after overcoming the struggle, whatever this is, if you become too confident or too detached or too guarded, then it can, I think, spoil your thing. That's what I'm getting. I think I'll have to see why is this tower here for. The Eight of Cups, the Two of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. What I'm getting here is that maybe once you are able to overcome your struggles and you are very pretty happy and confident about it, that now everything is okay, maybe something happens which you're not expecting. Maybe because of, maybe again you become rude, maybe again you become a little guarded, maybe again you become cold or detached, or maybe too confident, perhaps. It can be that. So because after the Queen of Swords, I see the Tower. So definitely, either you say something rude, because Queen of Swords is very straightforward and blunt also. So I think because once you are able to overcome this struggle, you will feel very happy and content and back in power, and perhaps you do something or you say something or you behave in a certain way which spoils the things with the Tower. And once, what I am getting here is that once with the Tower, you realize that you have spoiled your thing. I think again you will become a little closed off and try to. I think you will do your effort to move away from this negative situation, whatever this negative situation has happened, for whatever reason it has happened. So again, whatever this reason was which has caused this Tower, you will try to mend it, I think, because you will be moving away from this situation, whatever this situation was which has caused this unexpected thing, and you will be walking away choosing peace, or you will be trying to rectify the situation, because with the Two of Swords and with the Eight of Cups, I see that you are trying to, you become very closed off and you try to, because the reading is here ending with the Knight of Cups. So definitely, if it was something which you have said or done or behaved in a certain way which has led to this unexpected moment, you are moving away from it and trying to find solutions for it. I think maybe you will take some time, but then again I see that you are offering your love or moving towards somebody. So maybe it is a time you need to come out of this unexpected event which is happening. that you just take that time off, and you choose peace for yourself, and you just walk away from the situation, take some time off, trying to look for solutions and find answers as to why it happened, what had happened. First of all, you will obviously take the time to come out of this situation for yourself and try to know the reason and to find a solution for it. And once you are able to do it, you will be moving forward with the Knight of Cups towards that person. That's what I get. And here with the Seven of Hearts, there are a lot of options. Uh, maybe they are secret feelings, new feelings, imaginations, whatever. There are many things, you are thinking about many things over here. And with the King of Diamonds, involves a lot of healing. You need to look within, basically. You need to look within, you need to give that time to yourself to heal over here. But there are secret feelings, many feelings in you. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Number 10 or number 1 may be of some significance for you. A happy change. Your angels have heard your prayers, and have banded together to create real and joyful changes in your life. Events begin to move forward, and great progress will now be possible. You may need to make some rapid decisions due to suddenness of activity. Okay. Be confident and trust the guidance you receive. So maybe this is the thing. Maybe this is the tower moment. You may need to take some rapid decisions due to suddenness of activity. Be confident, trust the guidance you receive. Okay. So maybe there is something which happens over here which calls on to take a rapid decision. Okay, this is something unexpected. Some unexpected event happens over here, and you have to take a quick decision over here. So it can be that. So this is maybe what is unexpected over here. So you are have your reconciliation. I'll just wind it up. You are tense and anxious over a situation, causing a lot of conflict, and you are just feeling as to what have I done, and you're feeling sort of you're blaming yourself sort of as to what was the need for me to behave in such a way or do this the way you've acted or whatever you've done. But you want reconciliation, you're opening up, you want a new beginning, you're offering your emotions. The path ahead is unclear. You feel it, you may perceive it as a full of struggles, that it may have some struggles, not full of struggles, it may have some struggles, or it genuinely has some struggles, because the path ahead is definitely unknown, but you are able to overcome them, gaining back composure. And as soon as you feel you are pretty back in your comfort zone, I should say, comfort zone, or back in your power, and now everything is settled type of a thing, something happens which calls in for which is unexpected, and it calls in for a major decision, as it is coming as a guidance. And you are taking the time off because you want peace. Okay, so you are taking a little break, maybe a time to think about it and make a decision. And the decision here is that you are moving ahead again with as a Knight of Cups. You're offering your love to the person. So maybe there is something unexpected. And from the Page of Cups to the Knight of Cups, it can be this, that this is the urgency of the situation, that the other person wants a decision from you. They want you to open up more. Maybe the other person is expecting something, and then you take the time to decide. And your decision is that you just want to step up, because from the Page to the Knight, you just want to perhaps elevate that relationship, or open up a little more, offer more love, or something like that. I don't know. Let's see. So Librans, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.